Finding your correct seat in an airplane should generally be an easy task considering the fact that I have my boarding pass in hand. But in this case, it is not easy since my fellow passengers are kind of stupid. For example, the first person who is going to board the seat is going to sit on any seat randomly. And the stupidity does not end here. The next person would also sit on a seat randomly if they find their seat to be taken. The third, fourth, fifth, and so on till the second to last person do the same thing. I would be the last one to get on the plane. What is the probability that I would get my seat? Pause the video here if you want to figure out the answer to this riddle yourself. First step in solving any probability question is to look at the sample space. So let's visualize it. Let us assume the red circle to be the original seat of the first person and the yellow seat to be the original seat of the last person. Now what I am claiming is that the only seat which the last person can get are these two seats. That means the last person cannot sit on any of these seats. These seats cannot be empty for the last person because if they were empty, the passenger to whom the seat belonged to would have sat on them. Now we know that there are only two seats in the sample space and these two seats are equivalent with respect to every passenger, hence the probability for the last person to get their own seat is 50%.